Hey everyone, so nice quick one for you again today. We're just going to make some burger pickles. Absolutely love these, and I know people are kind of torn. Some people love them, some people hate them. So easy to do, and just a bit of fun that you can have and put your own little spices into things. It's great fun. So you're going to need one whole cucumber, and you're just going to chop this into little rings, probably, I don't know exact sizes, about just under 1/2 centimetre or so thick. Yeah, the size of a good pickle. Go on like that. Okay, so now your cucumber's done, you want to grab yourself a colander, like I have here, and just chuck those in. And then salt, so just a normal cooking salt, and you want about 20 grams. You're just going to tip that over the top and then give it a good mix in. Get it all in there. Some of it will fall through, doesn't matter. And what that salt's going to do is it's going to draw out some of that moisture. And that's why I've got it in a little tray, so I can show you how much comes out. But to do that, anytime you're going to pickle, you kind of want to bring some of that moisture out, because otherwise you're just diluting the pickle liquid. And that's why you end up with kind of sloppy ones. So this should keep it crunchy and keep it preserved longer. So there we go. It's nicely mixed in. We're just going to leave that there for an hour to do its magic. Okay, so those have been sitting there for an hour now, and there is a fair amount of liquid, actually a surprising amount that drains out in just that 1 hour. And that's great. So all we got to do now, wash them off and then just pat them dry on a kitchen towel or a normal kind of dishcloth towel. And we can start making the pickle for them. So now for that pickling liquid, all we're going to do is find the correct hob, turn that on, and then you're going to put in 240 ml of cider vinegar in there. Then add 120 grams of soft light brown sugar. So basically half and half, 240, 120. And then we're going to add in some kind of spices. So you want a whole teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, like so. And then half a teaspoon of turmeric, ground turmeric. Don't even know why I need to say ground. It's be a bit weird if you just stuck a whole root in there. And then half a teaspoon of dill. Get that off. Again, just dried dill will do. Because any fresh you put in as you heat it up, it's just going to wilt. So got the dried dill in there. It's going to add like that really nice flavour. It just goes so well with those cucumbers. So you're just going to heat that up until it starts to simmer, and then just leave it there for 1 minute, and your pickling liquid is done. Okay, so all that's left to do now is just to jar it up. So you can grab yourself a sterilised jar, which I've done basically by running it in hot water, kind of like washing it off, hot soapy water, and then just put it without drying straight onto a tray into the oven at 140 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. With the little ring, just same again, wash it, hot soapy water, and then just whack it in a bowl of boiling water while the jar's doing. And that will be hot but sterilised. So now you can just pop your cucumbers in and then pour over that hot pickling liquid. And there should be enough to cover. So there we go, perfect. Now all we need to do is seal that up. And that will keep just in a cupboard now for probably, well, it will keep for months, but just give it at least sort of a week just to get that pickling kind of really starting. Then you can just crack it open, leave it in the fridge, pull them out when you need them. So here's a load I made earlier in the year, and you'll see they really do change colour. They get a kind of nice, almost sort of yellowy look to them. They've got really nice flavour as well. That turmeric really adds so much to it. So all you got to do now is basically grab yourself a nice burger. Here's one I prepared earlier. And whack a couple on top, and then just dig in. Absolutely delicious. So I hope you give it a go. I hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you next time. Cheers.